Why is it that we feel a sense of empathy when we see someone else in pain? The answer lies within the fascinating world of psychology and the study of human behavior. Picture this: a unique set of neurons in our brains, mirror neurons, allow us to understand and replicate the emotions and actions of others. These neurons are crucial for fostering empathy and social bonding, reflecting the actions we observe like a mirror. Now, consider the concept of confirmation bias. This psychological phenomenon explains why we tend to seek out information that confirms our existing beliefs while conveniently ignoring anything that contradicts them. It's our brain's way of preserving our worldviews and saving us from the discomfort of cognitive dissonance. Speaking of cognitive dissonance, it's that uneasy feeling you get when you hold two conflicting beliefs or attitudes. It's like trying to walk in two different directions at once, and it usually prompts us to resolve the conflict and align our beliefs and actions. Next, let's delve into the primacy and recency effect. It's a funny thing. People tend to remember the first and last items in a series better than those in the middle. It's like going to a concert and remembering the opening and closing acts, but forgetting the middle performer. And then there's the halo effect. Ever judge someone's overall character based on one positive trait or behavior? That's the halo effect in action, a psychological bias where one good quality casts a halo of overall positivity. Colors, too, have a powerful psychological impact. Warm colors like red can evoke feelings of passion or energy, while cool colors like blue can convey a sense of calmness. It's a subtle influence on our emotions that often goes unnoticed. Ever noticed how you often rely heavily on the first piece of information when making decisions? That's known as anchoring bias. The first piece of information acts as an anchor, influencing our subsequent judgments. And what about the Baader-Meinhof phenomenon, or frequency illusion? It's that strange occurrence when you learn about something new and suddenly start noticing it everywhere. It's like buying a new car and then seeing the same model at every turn. Ever felt the urge to slack off in a group setting? That's social loafing for you. It's the tendency to exert less effort when working in a group compared to working alone. Lastly, consider the Zeigarnik effect. It's the reason you're likely to remember uncompleted or interrupted tasks better than completed ones. Incomplete tasks create a sense of tension in our minds, making them more memorable. These are just a few examples of the fascinating ways human behavior is studied and understood in psychology. From mirror neurons to the Zeigarnik effect, these psychological phenomena provide insights into our behaviors and emotions. Remember, individual behaviors can vary, and these facts provide general insights into common patterns observed in human behavior. So, the next time you feel a rush of empathy or remember an unfinished task, you'll know a bit more about